Welcome back. Today, 7 of the world's largest megacities, seen from above. A quiet, cinematic flight, designed to help you unwind and stay curious. You'll hear soft music and a gentle story of scale, light, and motion. And yes, 2025 rankings have shifted. The biggest city may surprise you. Let's start in Southeast Asia. Jakarta, now widely cited as the world's largest urban area in the latest UN methodology. A city built on water, movement and relentless energy, softened here by distance. From above, density becomes pattern, and pattern becomes calm. Even the largest cities keep pockets of quiet. One last look, then we drift north towards South Asia. Dhaka, one of the fastest growing megacities on Earth. Water and streets, weaving together like threads. At the edges, the city exhales into open land. Now, East Asia's luminous giant, Tokyo, still among the world's largest and one of the most organized from above. Water, steel and light composed like architecture. A city that moves with rhythm, not chaos. At night, the city becomes a calm constellation. Next, India's vast capital region, Delhi sprawling, layered and immense. Here, history and modern scale sit side by side. Now to China's coastal powerhouse, Shanghai, vertical, coastal and electric, even in calm light. From above, height becomes harmony. Next, one of the biggest connected urban regions on Earth, Guangzhou-Foshan, an enormous linked mega-region. Even here, green threads soften the scale. And now, Africa's great megacity, Cairo, where a vast city gathers around a single lifeline. From above, the river is a calm spine, holding everything together. A final wide view, then we close this chapter. 7 megacities, 7 patterns of human light and motion. If you enjoyed this calm flight, your next destination is already waiting. Tap into the full 90-minute most Googled destinations of 2025 journey. New chapters drop regularly. Welcome aboard.